guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add extensions, repos to Cloudstream. So first thing you have to do is open up your Cloudstream app just like this. So I just installed it, so I'm going to set it up. Okay, click on next, and you're done. So this is like the home page. So what you need to do is click on the settings. So you're supposed to see extensions right here. So once you see extensions, you click on add repositories. You see the number, you add a name. So okay, that, and let me go to pick. You go to open your browser, your Chrome browser, and search for Cloudstream extensions. You click on the first one, and once it loads up, it's going to show you lots of repos you can use. So once you click here, you can see, okay, they're going to close this for me. Click on, it's loading already, and you can see right here. So I can just pick to actually download the one I want and the rest of that. So this is actually how to add an extension repos to Cloudstream. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye. Hello guys,